Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will like to present our project jig and fixture. Before before we start, my name is Muhammad Nazri bin Latuo, and my group members Muhammad Nazri, Muhammad Alif, Nur Alia, Nur Hanani. I would like be represent my group member as a presenter. Okay. Our panel name Encik Muhammad Faiz bin Wahid. Okay. Firstly, our introduction. Our group member has shared ideas on the workholder design for the final project. Locating and clamping the critical function of any workholder. As such, the fundamental principle of the locating and clamping, as well as the numerous standard components available for this operation, must be truly understood. To perform properly, workholder must accurately and consistently position the workpiece relative to the cutting tool, part after part. Okay. Cohesion emerge as a group members exhibit the following skill. They are open the new ideas, diverse viewpoint, and the variety individual present within the group. Group members demonstrate the support for one another as they accomplish their goal. Okay, this is our problem statement. As you can see, the accuracy and precision of the drilling process are very difficult. And at the same time, to producing the same position of many parts. And then the time taken the time is take too much to do the drilling process and wasting time. Okay, this is our objective. We have 2 points. For the first point, produce a jig product with easier of drilling process with high accuracy and precision. The time taken of, and then the second, the time taken of drilling process are reduced by using the jig and fixture. Okay, this is our objective. And then our equipment. Before we start, we do a brainstorming and meeting to manage our idea and develop our idea, how to make the better jig and how to achieve our project. And then we describe the sketching by using the A4 paper and 2B pencil. Just do a roughly sketching drawing, and then problem point can be identified, and then do the final drawing by using the SolidWorks software for do the real drawing design. Okay, for the procedure, as you can see, we take the point. Conceptual design for the jig needed is done by sketching to make a workpiece that had been chosen. The sketch is done by following the assembly view and the custom part available label, which is the main body, locators, supports, clamping, and many more. And then we do a real drawing by SolidWorks software to describe each component properly. Okay, for the result we have the two results. For the firstly is the initial sketch design, which is we just by using the 2B pencil and A4 paper. This is our assembly view. As you can see, the rough sketch, the firstly idea. As you can see, this is a type of jig, box type of box. Okay, and then this is the cover side. Okay, the precision and accuracy for the workpiece that we get it. So we do the sketch for the cover side of the jig. As you can see, the width, the height, the diameter of the bush, and the others. And then the bottom plate, as you can see, we use normal sketch by 500 mm, and for the slope of the side 500 mm. And then the top plate, as you can see, the top plate also we just do the rough sketching. And then the final design, as you can see, the final design. This is our final design by using the SolidWorks software. We have 9 part of the jig and fixture, the type box. Okay, the quantity for the bottom plate is 1, and the bush drill, the two quantity, and the clamp assembly 2, cover side 1, screw 8, the setting pin 2, stapled dowel pin 9, supporter 4, top plate 1. Okay, for the bottom plate, 1 quantity, the jig base, and the place of the part during the process. And this is the main body. And then a custom part. We custom the bottom plate. As you can see, this is a SolidWorks software drawing. Okay, the next bush drill and the clamp assembly. Bush drill 2 quantities to guide the movement of the drill during the drilling process. The component a support for the workpiece, and we just do the standard part. Clamp assembly. Okay, for the clamp assembly to push and clamp the part during the drilling process. Use as a clamp and just a standard part. Okay, for the cover side, the description of the component is to hold the part and make sure a right position are present. And this is a main body, and just we do a custom. And for the screw, we have 8 screw. Okay, the setting pin, we have a setting pin used as a clamp, used for clamp the part during the drilling process. Type component, clamp, and standard part. For the stapled dowel pin, to get the cover side for the right position, and The type of component is support and standard. Okay, for the top plate, to get the hole for the drilling process and main body custom. Okay, this one is our final product. We are designing a box jigs type that have the 5 fixed side and a cover on top. There are 2 drill bush on the cover, while another 9 dual pin locator, 3 locators on each side, which locate the inside area. With this box jigs, workpiece can be hauled rigidly, so the drilling process or other machining process can be done from different angle at a single setting, depend on which face of the jig is turned toward the tools. We had chosen to use the dowel pin rather than a screw, as the dowel pin has a stronger joiner than the screw. The dowel pin cannot strip easily when the dowel joint is set up with the glue. It will locate the jig with the workpiece, so the workpiece will not easily move. As a conclusion, we're able to set up the work holder design for the final project by brainstorming ideas with all the team members. The objective of the project can be achieved, which is produce a jig product with easier of the drilling process with the high accuracy and precision. The time taken of the drilling process are reduced by using the design. The type of jig fixture that are designed was a box jig. By clamping is allow the box jig to locate the part with high degree of accuracy and repeatability. Locating, clamping are the critical function of any work holder. The perform properly, work holder must accurately and consistently position the workpiece relative to the cutting tool part after part. To accomplish this, the locator must ensure that the workpiece is the properly referenced, so we decide to use the dowel pin as a locator as shown in the SolidWorks drawing. The most accurate way to locate the part is bore the center hole. Okay, the third end of the step locator is used to mount the quick acting knob, the clamp that part in place. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, sir.